This is a quick tutorial showing you how to find books using our catalog and start your research. We're going to start with the quickest way to find an ebook, and then we'll do the quickest way to find a print book. This is the main library page. I have a search term in the box, and we're going to do a search. And once we get results back, you're going to see a lot of ebooks here. So this is a quick way to get ebooks. If we scroll down, you can limit it to books. This will still keep you mostly in ebooks, so be aware of that. And you can follow the directions on the screen to access the ebook that way. The quickest way to find print books is going to be through the catalog. I went back to the main page. We're going to do catalog here. And let's do a search. And you can limit it here to print books or the next screen, doesn't matter. Put my search term back in there. You don't have to put the print books limitation in there. You can do ebooks as well, but if you are strictly after print books, this is the way to do it. You can see the call number and the location of the floor. You can check out, I believe, up to 100 books at a time, so that's not going to be an issue, and you can renew online. So that's the quickest way to find ebooks and the quickest way to find print books.